Hello, today I would like to show you how to make a simple video by CapCut application. So first thing you need to do, just open the applications until the window shows like this, and then for the next step you just need to click the new project. You can choose either videos or photos, but today I will let you add some videos. So I will click on videos and then click add, and we have one videos on our project, and we can adjust the length of this video. You can like drag it become shorter, or you can drag it become longer. And if you want to add some more videos, you just need to click the plus button over here and choose another videos that you want to add and click the same ways. And it also has the same treatment. If you want to have short video, you just need to drag this into the just several seconds that you want, and then don't forget to remove the watermark. And then if you already have everything you want on your video, you just click this button and then it's exported. The video is done.